I enjoy my continued journey through exploring issues of water level and life and death. My first work was in 2011 here at the Dead Sea. The beach where I worked at, Mineral Beach, disappeared. It was destroyed by sinkholes. Giant holes the size of basketball courts, and the beach was closed. This is an ongoing situation that's happening in real time, very quickly. The Dead Sea is now disappearing. It's this duality between vulnerability and power of the body that I'm interested in. The nude person is a very powerful entity, but at the same time, we're very vulnerable. Being nude can elevate information. We're also affected by everything in the environment, from diseases to the need for a sustainable water source.
In the past, this has created controversy. There was even a Knesset member who tried to get your work banned. What do you feel about that when people object?
Well, I feel quite lucky to have a bill named after me to try to stop me. I mean, it's an honor, thank you. But I actually honestly think there should be a bill that it's a requirement to be naked at least once in your life for one of my works.